Want to learn how to vanish and produce a coin from thin air? Keep watching and I'll show you how. For this trick, you'll need one coin. Balance the coin in your thumb and move it so that it clips your first finger and middle finger. Keep practicing this move until it's fast and smooth. To perform the vanish, simply perform the move under the cover of your other hand. Once you've shown both hands empty, you can then drop the coin onto your left hand and it will create the deceptive illusion that you've plucked it from thin air. Whilst the mechanics of this trick are simple, it will require some practice until you get it smooth.